Imagine being able to visualize sound waves or electrical currents. The cathode ray oscilloscope lets you do just that. But how does it work? Let's dive into this fascinating instrument and explore its key features. A cathode ray oscilloscope, or CRO, is an instrument used to display waveforms. It measures electrical potentials that change over time. These waveforms can be alternating current, AC, or direct current, DC, signals. It relies on a cathode ray tube, or CRT, that generates the displays. The main components of a CRO include the electron gun, deflecting system, and the display system. Each part plays a crucial role in how the oscilloscope operates. First, let's understand the electron gun. It produces a focused beam of electrons. Inside, the cathode emits electrons when heated, while the grid controls their flow. This regulation helps adjust the brightness on the screen. Next, the anodes accelerate the electrons towards the screen. They give electrons enough energy to produce light when they hit the screen. Now, let's look at the deflection system. This system positions the electron beam on the screen. It utilizes two pairs of plates, the Y plates and the X plates. The Y plates control vertical deflection. When voltage is applied, the electrons move upwards or downwards on the screen. If no voltage is applied, the spot remains centered. The X plates handle horizontal movement. When AC is applied here, the spot oscillates across the screen, creating a waveform. All electron activity results in a light spot on the coated screen, creating the visible waveform. The phosphor coating glows where electrons strike. Now, let's summarize what these components do. The cathode creates electrons. The electron gun controls their flow. The deflection system positions them, and the screen displays the waveforms. This entire setup allows for various uses. A CRO displays wave patterns of different currents. It measures frequencies and investigates electronic circuits. For instance, let's calculate the frequency using our oscilloscope. Suppose the time base is set to 12 milliseconds per centimeter. If the wave distance is 2 centimeters, we find the total periodic time. We determine frequency with the formula F equals 1t. Now, let's practice a real scenario. If the horizontal trace shows a V of 20V and the Y gain is set to 10V per centimeter, we can see how the CRO captures this data. In conclusion, the cathode ray oscilloscope is an essential instrument in electronics. It allows us to visualize electrical signals. From diagnosing equipment to observing sound waves, it plays a crucial role. Ready to explore more about oscilloscopes? Dive into one yourself, or check out our next video for deeper insights.